morning mga vlogs. Ito na tayo ng ating convention meeting. Yan, dito tayo sa third floor. Bago yung ano nila, hindi high-tech yung elevator dito. Kailangan mo ng card. Huwag sa mga guest floors. Walang number yun. Ito mo. Yan mga vlogs, oh. 9 o'clock pa pala. So 8 o'clock, 7:40 pa lang. Maaga pa. Mamaya marami ng tao dyan. Pasyal muna tayo. At saka mag-breakfast pala. Mag-coffee. Wala pa akong coffee. Try natin yung hotel na ano, ng breakfast. Kung masarap. Vlogs, ganda ng ating view dito. Breakfast tayo. Kita natin yung mga taong mag-work pa. So yung traditional Benny, double smoked bacon, Hollandaise sauce, free range poached eggs, toasted English muffin, $26. Tapos yung coffee, $5. Ayos yan. May ano tayo, $20 na per diem. Good morning. Yan, server natin si Lowlin. Yung coffee, $5. So, black sabi ko, walang no milk, no sugar. Mapait. And water. Meron tayong Globe and Mail. Basa-basa tayo. 9 o'clock pa naman yung ano, yung convention meeting. Yan. Okay. Yan, kain tayo. Lagay ko to para hindi malagyan. Okay. Taas na talaga ng cost of living. Itlog lang, tsaka patatas, tsaka bread. Almost $30 na. Siyempre yung binayaran mo din yung labor tsaka yung ambience. Ayan. May ano yun eh, may kwento yan sa ambience. Tatandaan nyo pa ba si Joseph Estrada daw? Pumunta sila sa restaurant. Tapos ayun, model sila ng mga pagkain, mga kasama niya. Marami sila. Tapos mahal nung ano, yung bill pagkatapos nila kumain. Sabi nga nun, tinanong ni Mr. Joseph Estrada, ex-president ng Pilipinas, ano raw, sinong ano pala kung bakit daw mahal yung bill, bakit napakamahal. Tinanong niya sa waiter. Kasi sabi ng waiter dahil sa sir, sa ano, sa ambience yan. I mean, ambience. Tapos sabi ng gano'n ni ex-president Estrada daw, mga kasama, sino sa inyo ang umorder ng ambience? Bakit na mahal? Yan mga vlogs, 32.55 ang total. $5 yung coffee. Punta lang sa baba sa McDonald's, $1 lang. Coffee din naman. Ayan mga vlogs ang ating convention hall here. Ayan mga vlogs, lunchtime natin. Punta tayo ng ano, Popeyes chicken. Lunchtime ngayon, alas 12. Busy ang Vancouver downtown. Yan. Yan, tawid tayo rito. mga vlogs. Ayan. Ito, Fairmont Hotel, Vancouver. Ayan, Cartier. Ayan. Daming ano rito. Ito parang Tiffany & Company, ano rin yan. Sikat din yan eh. Ayan. Ayan. Louis Vuitton. Ayan, lalo na Louis Vuitton, LV, lumang bag. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan tayo. Ano pa, mga 550 meters daw eh. So doon pa yun, mga 3 blocks away. Ayan, dito tayo. Okay. Napakinggan ko si Inag sa ano, sa Bluetooth ko habang nagbablog ako. Yung hindi yung nasita raw siya. Siyempre curious. Yun yung ano no, title mo, kailangan mag-spark ka ng curiosity. Paano na ano, nasita. Ganun. Ayan. Shout out Inags. Ayan. Ito Shoppers Drug Mart. Bili pala ako ng ano dyan, ng toothpaste. Meron akong toothpaste na kids toothpaste eh. Pero that's it. Pabango. Pala rito. May sarili silang pulis dito sa Vancouver eh. Sa mga small place like Prince George, you know, Mackenzie, meron RCMP ang nagko-cover nun. Yeah, RCMP federal kasi, yun yung Mountie. Ang dito kasi napakalaki ng population, kaya meron silang sariling pulis nila rito. Ayan. Of British Columbia. Ayan. Court of Appeal and Supreme Court. Ayan. Malapit na tayo. Isang block pa lang. Isang block na lang pala. Ito may Korean dito. Parang masarap dito. Tendon. Kuha ko. May smoke shop. Vape sila. Nakatawa naman yan. Low prices. Ayos. Pasok na tayo. Ang daming ano rito, puro vape bongs. Dublin, Kalong. Okay. Ano ito eh, ibang street to. Robson. Ay, mga vlogs na nakuha na natin yung chicken natin. Tignan natin 4 pieces eh. Sabi ko hati. $16.99. It's not bad. $17.51 lahat. Tama sa per diem natin na $20 pag lunch. Ang liit naman ito. Mas malaki yung sa ano eh, sa Jollibee. Sa Jollibee tayo next. Maliit. Mas malaki din sa churches eh. Not bad. Maliit. Mashed potato. Yan ang mas maputi. Potato, mashed potato. Siyempre yung mashed potato kasi yung mashed potato eh. Oink oink. Yeah. Wala ng Coke Zero.
Driving the Whistler for the weekend, going closing the deal. Happiness is kids who call home. Getting flowers.
Itong biscuit nila.
You're in the market for a new car or truck.
Buttermilk. Wala.
Just the way you want it. Visit NorthShoreAuto.com and check out what's on the lot. North Shore Auto will drive you happy. Insurance provided by Waypoint Insurance. I'm Karen Malia. My
Popeyes.
plan will tax the tax, build the homes, fix the budget, and stop the crime. So you can afford good food and a decent house in Canada.
Natin lang.
Get ready to roar like never before as the BC Lions flash with the Toronto Argonauts tonight, presented by Bosta Properties. Prepare for a wall of fan induction on the legendary 2000 Grey Cup team. Tickets from just $25. Visit BCLions.com. Right this second time. Just on the internet, they're just
Magango. Lagyan natin ng hot sauce.
Ako, nagkakabili ko na. Parang lang ako muna.
Cholesterol. Ayan o, sa ito Robson. Ano to? Smith. GoPro 12 there.
I decided I want to get the Action 5 that's about to come out.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's GoPro 13 now, but you don't want to get GoPro. I don't know. Yeah, this one's Starbucks here. Pretty big. Ito dito tayo mga vlogs. Acacia.
In the winter, the residents will make a little like
Sana ako dinadala na itong mga to.
snow bunny
Sinusundan ko lang sila eh.
sculptures and then put
All you can eat buffet dito.
candles in the holes they make in the snow. But like the candles and then we just want to see that was fun. Yeah.
Yan, dito na ata tayo. Hudson Pacific. BMO yan. Burrard. Dito na nga. Intersection nila. Station.
A few moments later.
Public service because he wanted to take on big challenges and deliver some really big results.
EB, the Premier of British Columbia.
Without further ado, please welcome Premier David Eby. To the mic of Pro Mic 2.
Thank you, Annette. And welcome, Minister, MLAs, and current candidates going forward. I wish you all the best of luck. So I was really excited when you started your speech, and the first name that came out of your mouth was Capilano University. That's my home. And now I'm in the role of Vice President of Combined Units. So if you're not familiar with our structure, we have ICBC, we have utilities, which is Hydro, Fortis, Power Tech, and a couple of other small ones. And then you have combined units, which is absolutely everything else that we represent.
Okay.
So I'm standing here today for the small guys, right? Our biggest membership in combined units is about 500 people, and that's at Coast Mountain Bus. So I kind of joked around the few years, this is going to be hopefully my 3rd term, but I have a laundry list that I need to come and talk to you all about. And when I talk about laundry list, like picture Santa Claus rolling out a scroll. I have members at BC Transit that need wage equity with BC, over here with TransLink and Coast Mountain Bus. They got screwed over by net zeros during the years that was our mandate. Same with Capilano University, net zeros. Other universities were able to get more funding, they're bigger, but we need more of that education and stuff brought back to our group. We don't need marble bathrooms, we need money to pay the members that are there every single day, taking care of the international students, the domestic students. We need to be able to pay our own bills, be able to afford the commute over to North Vancouver because we've had to move out to Chilliwack. And yes, work from home helps, but we just had a 9-week-long job action there to have the right to just be able to grieve if that was taken away from us. So we need you to come and listen to the small guys. And I can go on and on about all, I'm sure the 106 agreements that I have right now, each one of them would have something that we need from you. We need some legislation changes when it comes to the TransLink enterprise and who is the true employer there. We need to fight that so that we are able to do our job best. We're also going to need help with this $60 million potential loss coming up in 2025 from TransLink. What are we going to do?
I think a couple things. Yeah, that was awesome. First of all, I think your comments really underline how much more work we have to do together. We've had a good start on a bunch of challenging issues, and there's a lot more work to do. I am keen to sit down at the table with you and with your colleagues on these issues, both directly and through our cabinet and our representatives. And I want us to talk about how we build things together, how we work together to expand and support British Columbians. I don't want us to be sitting together talking about how we respond to cuts to those services. That $600 million gap at TransLink is a
A few hours later.
Dahil sa vlog sa ano ba to? Pacific Center. Dito sa first floor. Tingin tayo. Once you get that, get the Club Monaco, boy, papalat ang Club Monaco. Ray-Ban. Ako ngayon dito compared sa kasi shopping season na rin for Christmas siguro. Kaya ayan, yung Lululemon. It's overrated. Lululemon. Ground yun Dito tayo sa sa Jollibee. Snack tayo sa Vancouver. Ito yung normal dito sa Vancouver yung ulan dito. Ayan. Snack lang tayo, snack. Balik tayo dito sa Jollibee. Vlogs. Vlogs. Subukan natin to. Isa lang. Chicken sandwich.
Up.
Sulit dito.
Okay, batay kanina.
City Center Station. Busy dito. Mexican. Ayan. Ayos. Ano? Malaki din ang maraming mga building, kaya mukhang malaki at saka maraming tao. Pero isipin mo, parang maliit lang din compared sa New York, Toronto, ganyan. Parang maliit lang tong Vancouver downtown. Dito muna tayo sa loob ng hotel. Umuulan eh. Naglakad na tayo. Ayun sa baba may mga nakatambay sa hot tub eh. Dami. Wala 4. At magandang mag-isa lang. Nalimutan ko bumili ng toothpaste, yung travel size sa Shoppers. Sabi ng kasama ko sa convention, pwede daw humingi sa sa front desk. So yun ang gagawin natin. Subukan natin kumuha ng travel size na toothpaste. Hello. Musta rin? Do you have a travel size toothpaste?
Toothpaste?
Yeah. What's that?
Last one.
Oh, is it? Okay. 1017 was my okay, thanks. Yeah. Ayun, makakuha tayo. Look, toothpaste. Yeah, we're going to the 3rd floor now. Kuha tayo ng toothpaste. Last one daw. Yan mga vlogs, nandito tayo sa convention. Wala tayong kilala pero yan, parang malipag tayo rito, sosyalan.